So I remember walking back from school one day after an after-school club, and we were both walking back home, and I remember saying, wouldn't it be so funny if you guys end up getting married? And here we are today.
I love Steffi for who she is, not for what she looks like. And I think that's the most important thing in a relationship.
I thought about what Benito, or who Benito is to me as a friend, as a person, and in fact, he is one of the most determined, purpose-seeking potential achievers that I've come across in my life, and I feel honored to be his friend.
I'm just so happy to be marrying my best friend. Like, I have known him for so many years, and it's come as a shock that I actually married Benito. But he is my bestest friend, and I am so happy that I am here to spend the rest of my life with this amazing person.
I call upon these persons here present
I call upon these persons here present
to witness that I,
Benito
Sebastian,
Sebastian,
to take thee,
Steffi and James,
to be my lawful wedded wife,
To take thee,
Benito Sebastian, to be my lawful wedded husband,
to be my lawful wedded husband,
to have and to hold, from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
till death do us part.
till death.